Hi everybody, this is Andrew Starks. I'm the Director of Product Management for Macnica. We're at InfoComm 2021, and the product we're going to show you today here is the MPA1000 launch kit. Now, if you've heard about IPMX, it's an open standard for AV over IP. And at Macnica, we're all about open standards. If you're interested in making interoperable AV over IP, you're going to want to check out our launch kit, which includes two MPA1000 dev kits, which either one can be encoder or decoder. And what we've got showing here is a simulated developer environment. One thing we really emphasized with the MPA1000 launch kit is customization. So we've got an integrated Lua scripting environment, which gives you complete access to the underlying APIs, makes it super easy to make a product and add value to your customers in your product line. Right now, we're demonstrating how we're just integrating the MPA1000 in with an application called Graphite to provide reporting on CPU usage and temperature of the board. We have a million other tutorials and demonstrations that come with the kit, and we'd love to show you more and show you how the MPA1000 can be customized and become part of your product plan. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, I'm Andrew Starks. Check out macnicatech.com for more information.